Hey guys, it's been ages since we've done a Breetventures video, but that is all about to change. We've got an exciting announcement coming up in the next video, and there's going to be a lot more videos coming. But meanwhile, we're just doing a quick hike into the bush for an overnight stay. So we're just going to be setting up camp, eating some snacks, chilling out in the bush for a while before hiking back out tomorrow morning.
And eating pancakes.
And eating pancakes. All right, we've found our place to camp. We actually came here a day or so ago just to have a look, do a bit of a recce. Found a nice flat dry spot which we're just going to flatten out a little bit more because we're not so far out of town. We did bring some comforts from home. A pillow, at least for me. The kids can survive with that one.
Lying down. For sure. Comfy?
Come through where we want it to.
Like...
We can hook our ends and it should slowly raise the
Oh, whoa! Maybe don't wear shoes in there.
Just winding down before we go to bed. Had a bit of a snack.
Can we play in the bush?
We're literally in the bush, so yes.
Yeah. Ow, it was my butt. Oh. Ah. Stand on anything that is standable. Stand on a door. Oh no! Get me out of here! I'm trapped! Get off of me! I didn't do anything. Oh, what a normal day.
Indeed.
Welcome to our better than home. Hotel! Cut that out. Hotel!
All right, good night. Well, not a great sleep as usual for the first night in a tent on the hard ground. These guys slept pretty well.
I'm trapped.
How's that?
A leaf made me not sleep. Who's pushing? Oh, you can go. You're pushing.
Just like that, our overnighter is done, leaving nothing but some flattened out ground. Alright, let's do it, guys.
Nearly there.
Back in time for pancakes.